All right, with the MetaQuest, you get the actual batteries, and these are rechargeable batteries. And you pretty much just actually just mount the actual. I'm gonna show you how to mount the system and how they start charging. All right, and I do have a long extension cord to give you a Type C to Type C, and then that's pretty much it. They don't give you the brick; they give you the actual connection. So we're gonna plug this in, and we're gonna see how well it works. But look at this; they give you these portable charging, so you don't have to worry about buying batteries. You can just constantly use these. So let's go and put it to use and see how it looks and see how it charges. All right, so if you guys can see on your Meta Quest 3, you get the three little connections, and that's where they're gonna go actually set up. All right, so what they do is it's just they have to turn a certain color when it links up in here and let it drop, and that's pretty much it. It starts charging there. All right, so we're gonna replace the battery right now, and you push the button. Of course, it's a hidden compartment on the actual Quest 3. There's the R. You guys can see it. And then all you got to do is make sure you put the right connection and you put it back, right? So it's embedded in there. So if you guys can see, it's fully charging right now. You got charging here, charging here. This is fully charged. That means green. These are getting charged. And like I said, now the problem I had is that you got to make sure you adjust the back so it could level down and you could access set it up. So you can see the light that's fully charged. And you can set this up. Make sure you got the power brick in order to do this. It has to be 12 volts or higher.